Alright, hi guys. After the successful cleaning of the Harley Fox, I got a lot of queries online on Facebook and messages asking how it was done and what is the procedure done. So I thought I'll make a video of getting the Fox cleaned for the Royal Enfield. This is the 1986 Royal Enfield. So as you can see, the Fox and the engine is pretty much worn out and beaten up by years of use. So what I'm going to do is clean the Fox and the engine guard. So before we go ahead, I'd like to show you what I got done on the Harley Fox, and the difference that the product that I use really made. So it's really cheap and won't cost you a big bomb. So let's take a look. So here's the Fox of the Harley Davidson. Uh, this is a 2012 Super Glide Custom Diana. It was like I bought this in a resale with completely beaten up Fox. It had like really bad black markings, oxidization. This bike was from Bombay, and the salt water and stuff like that got them really bad. So very simple process. When I had gone down to the Harley showroom, they weren't clear of how I could get it done and get the gunk off it. So I decided just to do some research of my own, and guess what? It worked. So I'll show you guys how it's done on the Royal Enfield today. Here we go. Okay, so before we start, we need a good supply of water and some liquid soap. This is any liquid soap. I got this with my car, so this is just car washing liquid. So this will help you get the some kind of residue which was on the Fox lent off, and then you can use the product that I would suggest. And yeah, let's take it from there. Okay, so here we go. Just wash it down with plain water. Okay, and here's what you would require. You would require a Scotch Brite. Any Scotch Brite would do. Just really wet it down and give it a slight scrub. Okay, you need to do this when it's wet so it doesn't leave deep scratches onto your aluminium parts. So this is what I'm doing. So just easy to get one side done first, this one, and then go on to the other. So I'm not going to do the gearbox yet, so we could see the difference between before and after. So you can see already it's got a little bit of shine on it, so it's going to make a huge difference once done. Alright, so for the second step, that's the actual polishing of the product. I'll be using this product called Autosol. It's a metal polish specially made for aluminium. It's a product made in Germany, and it just costs 250 bucks. That's 250 rupees. with delivery. So I ordered it off Amazon. It's really good. I mean, it really worked for the Harley. So this is the first time I'm going to try it on the Royal Enfield. So here we go. So what you would require is you would require two cloth. Basically, it's an old T-shirt that I just cut up. You can use two of these. One would be to apply, and one would be to really polish it out. So what you need to do is this first. You can use your fingers, just apply it really liberally on your fox. So it just looks like paste, like toothpaste. Comes also in a tube. Yeah, but don't try brushing your teeth with these. So as you put it on, the product is going to mate with the aluminium, and it'll turn black as that happens. So don't worry, that's what it's supposed to do. It takes the first layer off apparently, and then gives it the shine to the aluminium. And the delivery for these guys who sent it, the guys who packaged this product is in Chennai. So that was really quick. I got it in like 2 days time, and got the shocks done for the Harley the very next day. So here we go. So once you got these on, just basically don't polish them off immediately. Just rub it in, start rubbing it in round circles or up and down, where you kind of work it into the metal. So don't start polishing yet. Just give it a slight. See, if you notice, your cloth's gonna get black as that's done. And when that's happening, that's exactly what needs to happen. See? So now that we got this in, so now let's start actually rubbing it with some pressure. You can see it starts getting even more black. You can even get a brushing, a buffing tool, which would help. But you'll be again spending on that. So you want to keep your costs down and get it done in just below 500 bucks. This works awesome. Yeah, see this? So you get all sides of it done. And once the cloth starts getting black, just move on to a different area, or just use another cloth. Wow, you can see the difference already. And you can repeat the process like a couple of times. You'll get it even going better. this is the first application of the product, so you can make all the difference. Yeah. All right, let's move on to the next part, the engine, the engine covers. I've never done the timing cover before, so let's give that a go now. So getting the engine buffed of Royal Enfield is quite expensive if you take down the whole engine and get it done. So if you see this bike, the whole theme of the bike is like a rat rod, which got its rusty parts and stuff. So I don't want it to be an extremely shiny as a coin motorcycle. So just getting the top layer off, so it's got a little bit of bling in it as well. So let it sit for a couple of minutes. Not a couple of minutes, just a few seconds actually, and just start giving it a rubbing. And immediately you'll see like this blackish thingy that's going to be coming out with the once you wipe off the autosol. And the funny part about buffing Royal Enfield engine specifically is I tried looking it up and running searches, and surprisingly I couldn't find much about how you could get this done. So that's one of the other reasons why I thought I would get a video documented done, so it could help other motorcyclists as well. So yeah, just fiddle around with your bike on the weekend. That's what's the best part about the DIY projects, and you learn a lot of things. And this grime has been on the bike since like a long time. I haven't got this bike painted or buffed or polished, anything on those lines. This was as is. I bought this bike in '97 and it's been with me since then. It's an '86 model, so I don't think the previous owner did any work on the buffing part of it, so I think this is the first time you'll see the timing cover so well polished. So if you can see, there's quite a lot of difference in the before and after. See, compared to the gearbox and the timing cover, and this is just the first application, so I can I'm gonna give it like a couple of more applications, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Alright, here we go. The 86 bomber, which has got now a little bit more shiny timing cover and the fox in front looking really good. So alright guys, give it a try. It's good fun.